Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm taking you along with me to Ikea so we can check out everything that's new in stores for 2024. Now is one of my favorite times to go to Ikea. They always launch new products at the beginning of the year. I've seen a new sofa come out that I really want to check out, new organizers, lifestyle products, decor, so I'm very excited to see everything in person. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and head to the store. Heading into Ikea today, I already notice a sense of refresh and organization for the new year and a little hint of spring. So let's head upstairs to the showroom. I love walking around, seeing all the room setups, how they style new items. It gives you a better idea on how you can really work these pieces into your home. After the holidays, they always have storage bins and organizers out on display because now is the time to put away your Christmas decor and have it all organized. So clear bins like this are such a great buy. This is how I store all of my Christmas decor away, and it makes it so easy to find it the next year. In January, I always get an urge to organize and tidy up the entire house, and I love looking around in the Ikea kitchen cabinets to see how all of these cabinets and drawers are organized. They have such great organization ideas here, so if you're looking for some inspiration, just hop around the showroom and open up some doors. Spotted a new item here in the kitchen. They have a new size of the very popular wire basket. These are perfect for pantry and kitchen organization, and this larger size is great for holding more. Now this little light fixture is definitely new. It is a spin-off of their very popular pendant basket light. They now have sconces and pendants and these small table lamps that are super cute. Now I saw online that they launched a brand new sofa line, and I had to see it with my own eyes, and this is it. This is the Hilltarp sofa line. It is absolutely perfect. I can't believe that Ikea came out with my favorite sofa style. It's skirted, it has that single cushion. It's a great price for a large size sofa like this. This is a great dupe if you're looking for that McGowan Co. Pottery Barn crate and barrel style. And it has a slipcover, so you can change up the slipcover over time to change the color. This is the brown, and I actually love the brown. It is a great neutral color that actually isn't too warm, so you can pair it with those cooler tones like grays and charcoals, and I think it would look incredible. I think they absolutely nailed the design of this, and it's exactly what people are looking for that want that traditional yet modern style. It's a great mix, it's easy to pair with. It's definitely my kind of sofa. It's comfortable but structured, so I think it'd be the perfect sofa for a living room, but it comes in so many variations, sectionals, pullouts, all of that, so there's so many options. Going in a completely different direction, they are also launching these 80s inspired pieces, and they're super fun. I love this black swivel lounge chair. It looks so comfortable and plush. It has that corduroy material that's really adding a ton of texture, and then that chrome bottom that's very in style right now. So if you have that retro, eclectic look in your home, this would be a really fun chair to include. It's so exciting how many new furniture pieces I'm seeing in here. These are the brand new chairs right now. I love this high back rattan chair. Every rattan chair that Ikea has done is pretty much sold out, so they're always very popular. You can add your own cushion, make it really comfortable, and it's such a fun piece to have. Blue is going to be very popular this year, and I'm loving this new muslin throw blanket. This is one of my favorite materials. It just has this casual texture and wrinkle to it. It just is super soft and lightweight and is the perfect throw blanket for the upcoming warmer months. I love the way Ikea designs pull-out sofas. They have so many good options and styles. So this one is definitely one of my favorites. It's brand new here. It's that soft sage velvet material. It's also a slip cover, so you can also change up the color. I love that single cushion on the bottom again, and that's the cushion that you pull out that turns it into a bed. So you pull it right out, you put the back down, and now it's a completely flat sofa bed. But it's also a great lounging sofa if you wanted to have a little movie room, and you can turn every seat of the couch into a lay down seat like a chaise. I love it. It's so cozy and cute. If you saw my previous video all about interior design trends for 2024, you'll know that burgundy is in, and this little burgundy side table would be the perfect piece to just add that little hint of a trendy color into your home without going all out. This is a cute new console table. I could picture baskets being styled in that second shelf and a lamp on top with some art or a mirror. This is the Lac console table. It comes in dark espresso and this white oak finish. This would be perfect behind a sofa, down a hallway, or in an entryway. It's always good to keep in mind if you love a small cabinet like this that has those flat sides, you can always get multiple of them, push them together like this, and now you have a larger cabinet. Wow, the Billy bookcases are back in stock. These are such a great piece to DIY built-ins and really get this custom look on a budget. They now have it in this white oak finish, which I think is perfect. So many people have white oak flooring and kitchens in their home, and this would really pair nicely with that. So definitely a good addition to the whole Billy bookcase line. I may be mistaken, but this might be Ikea's most affordable cabinet, and it's very simple. It's pretty basic. I like the sliding door detail, but I think this is something that you could DIY and really turn into something amazing. You guys know I'm all about decorative storage boxes. I think they are the best way to hide clutter and paperwork and all of the messy stuff around your home and turn it into something pretty. And look how cute these new boxes are. They're metal boxes, but the color of them is just that perfect taupey color that honestly works so well with my home. So I'm definitely going home with a few of these. They are perfect for styling in cabinets or open shelving or really any surface around your home. There's lots of new dining tables out right now. This is probably one of my favorite lines. It's classic, it's traditional, but has that modern edge to it. It comes in this beautiful wood tone, which is a perfect mid-tone wood. It's very easy to work with and pair with, so it looks good with light wood flooring as well as dark wood flooring. I like that this comes in both round and rectangular, and the size is just very substantial. I also spotted some cute little dining chairs here. These two chairs just look European, kind of cottagey and cozy. I think they are so cute. This is one of my favorite little kitchens here, and it's just such a sweet open concept design. I like that it's a friendly reminder that you can style a lot of your everyday items out on display. You don't have to have everything behind doors. If you style those dishes and notes and all of those things that you grab at every day in a nice way, it will look like decor and it will actually make your kitchen look even prettier. Now into the office section here, I spotted a brand new desk, and this is a nice white oak finish desk that has cool features to it. My favorite part about it is that it has this glass top section, so you can store things in the drawer and see it through the top. For me, I'd probably just put maybe my calendar under there so it's kind of put away, but I could still see it, and it gives you that flat surface that you want. It has hidden storage for your cords and plugs, and it is such a cool piece. It also has this little hanging feature, so there's a lot to it that make it a very functional piece. The kids section is always a fun place to check out. This bedroom always reminds me of the space that I did for my niece. If you want to see a little kids bedroom makeover, definitely check that out. But I spotted this cute little pillow cover in there. The pattern is very whimsical and traditional. It has that vintage touch. I'm going to check more of those out downstairs in the marketplace. I'm also loving these new duvet covers. The simple heart pattern is so cute. You could layer it in with stripes and plaid, and it just adds a nice whimsical touch, as well as this cute gray flower duvet cover. I think this is perfect. Wow, there are so many new pieces to see. Let's head downstairs to the marketplace to see what else we can find. Ooh, perfect timing on this new launch. This is the new fitness at-home gym workout line. They have all these different accessories that you can use in your workout routine. This is a little pack of 4 of accessories like knee pads, yoga straps, they even have a massage ball, and this gorgeous yoga mat. I love the color of it, but the shape of it is everything. It's a big oval and it's really large. I think this is such a cool buy, especially if you want to do any stretching, Pilates, or fitness at home. It's cool that you can pick it up at Ikea now. So I love when they come out with all of these lifestyle products. They even have this really great bench with the pad on top, so you can use that as a workout bench. I love that this just looks like decor and it doesn't look like a crazy metal black workout bench. It's something that's really subtle. They have a step stool and all of these really great lounge pieces that you can throw on after a cold plunge or sauna. They just thought of everything. Ooh, I've been waiting for a new Lazy Susan to come out, and I love this one. I like that it has little edges so it keeps everything in place, and it actually looks very decorative. I could see this in a bathroom, on a kitchen countertop, in a pantry. They're so great for organizing. Okay, I'm kind of a sucker for little cake displays and food trays like this. If you're having a party or like to entertain, these would be such a good piece to have. They have a copper finish, but it actually leans a little bit more gold. It doesn't look as orange as copper normally looks, so I think it's actually very, very pretty. I'm also loving these new oval wood trays. They come in a pack of 2, and I think these would be great for your kitchen for serving, but also for styling decor. You can use these in your bathroom to put your soap pumps on and use a little tray by your entryway. A cute little wood tray is always a good find. into the bedding section. I found a new pillow that I would probably love. If you are someone that sleeps on your back or side like me and likes memory foam, this looks like a good pillow. It kind of curves around your shoulders and hugs you in place, which I think would be ideal, and it looks like a great soft pillow to me that just came out this year. They also have these cool new pillowcases for these ergonomic pillows that kind of look like a fitted bed sheet. They just tightly wrap around and stay in place, and I think that's amazing. This is exactly what I've been looking for because none of my pillow covers fit my memory foam pillows like this. So they come in different colors like this. I like how they just look tight and simple and stay in place. So these are a good buy for $7.99. Now I wanted to see if they had that floral pillow cover in other colors, and they do. They have this beautiful rusty gold. They have it in black as well, which I love. I think that adds a ton of good contrast to your sofa. They have it in blue, and they also had it in the pink that we saw upstairs. I also see so many colors of the muslin throw blanket that I love. So they have this creamy ivory color that's a great neutral. They also have it in blue, in a charcoal gray. They have it in green and brown. Brown is very popular this year as well, so if you wanted to add any brown to your home, you can do it simply with a throw blanket like this. I've always loved the traditional jute rug here at Ikea, but now they have new natural fiber woven rugs that lay a lot more flat. They have less texture in them. They have a little bit of color variation, but I like that they come in this creamy color and the gray. They also have it in a full size rug, so not just a little floor mat. And I think the texture is so cozy. So if you're looking for something to brighten up your space, this might be the rug for you. It definitely adds that textural touch while being very simple and classic. They also have another style jute rug that just came out that has more pattern in it, which is interesting. So if you're looking for something a little bit more graphic, but you like that neutral, natural woven look, then that could be a really great option. If you're someone that's overwhelmed with the idea of buying tools and all of the necessities you need to do DIY projects, I just suggest getting these simple tool sets from Ikea. I use them all the time. They have all of the basic necessities to get everything done, and they just launched all of these new accessories. This has been one of Ikea's most popular light fixtures. This large woven pendant has sold out so many times. Now they have it in a small pendant style, which is super cute. So if you've wanted something similar, this might be a good option. As always, I'm ending the trip in the as is section. This is a great place to find marked down, already built Ikea furniture. It's almost the Ikea thrift store. I love it. So if you're looking for things at an even better price, definitely check this area out. Your store is always going to have different stuff almost every day. This is a great place to find dressers and all of those things that are a little bit more difficult to build. You can just pick them up pre-built here. You can even find items that are upstairs full price as well. So this must have been returned and it's already marked down $150. So it's always worth checking out the as is section. It's a great place to stop on your way out. All right, well, that was a fun day out at Ikea today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and seeing everything that's new this year. My favorite piece has to be that hill tarp sofa line. I think they really nailed it. It's exactly what people are looking for. A beautiful skirted, modern but classic sofa that's comfortable and just timeless. I think that's one of their best pieces for sure. Let me know down below in the comments if you saw anything in stores today that you have your eye on that you would definitely head to Ikea for. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos this year. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!